Hi, Melanie here at Bell Camper Sales in Bartlesville, Oklahoma. Today I have the privilege of sharing with you one of our pre-owned selections on this 360-degree video, so please take your time. You can look around as I'm explaining some of the highlights of this ready-to-roll pre-owned fifth wheel. This is a 2017 Forest River Salem. 33BHOK is the model number. It has an amazing bunk room in the back. A lot of camper here to show, and we're going to start in the main living area here. We're going to start with the kitchen. So you have a lovely L-shaped countertop here with double sinks, a lot of extra storage space and cabinets and drawers, glass inlay cabinets up here. Stainless steel appliances. You do have your 3-burner cook stove right here, and this folds back, give you extra space while you're cooking. There is a knife rack here in the back behind your stovetop, and then you have your oven. Of course, refrigerator made by Dometic, and freezer with extra pantry space over here, with the top cabinet and shelves and bottom cabinet with shelves. Across from your kitchen you do have this amazing U-shaped dinette, which can definitely seat your whole family. You do have some storage with drawers underneath your dinette here. This can convert to an extra sleeping space. And of course you do have this comfortable sofa with extra storage underneath with this drawer. This also will lay down for extra bedding, and you have some more storage cabinets there. So behind us is your entertainment center, where your TV, your audio system is already placed, along with some more storage below. Speakers are in the ceiling, so you have true surround sound and lights throughout. So our next tour is going to be upstairs in the main bedroom. Alright, here we are at the upstairs level. The only thing on this level is the bedroom, which is a nice feature. Your bathroom is on the main floor. You do have privacy doors with the ability to add a TV here in the bedroom, as well as some mirrored wardrobe closets that have shelves that can be removable, or just put your hang-ups in there. Nice queen size bed, and you actually have a ceiling fan in this room to keep the air circulating. Alright, here we are in the bathroom. This does have its own entrance into the camper. So 2 entrances. It's nice to have this come right into the bathroom, so guests don't have to go all the way through the camper, and if you're wet or sandy or muddy from the beach or water, you can come right in here. This has one of the tallest showers, so if you are over 6 foot tall, you wouldn't have any issues with headspace here, as well as a tub for the little ones if you have toddlers still. Everything you need right here in the main bathroom for the family. Of course, this is the great part of this camper. You have this great bunk room for kids or family members to not only sleep, but a place for them to hang out, play games, watch TV if it's a rainy day, but definitely a place to sit and not just sleep. You do have in the hallway 2 mirrored wardrobe closets and 4 drawers below, so there's extra storage there, as well as in the bunk room here. Here's your ladder that easily stows away so you can get to that top bunk. Your second bunk here can raise up and be out of the way for your sofa down below, and this also lays down very easily to accommodate an extra guest here. So as you can see, we still have a big window at the back, a great view, wonderful layout if you can see through to the front there. This won't be here long. I hope you get an opportunity to come down and take a tour. My name is Melanie. I hope you ask for me so I can show you around. We have a great lineup of new and used RVs available. Let's get you camping.